Alright, so you walk in. Hi, Mike. And then you go to the left. And this is the guest room. And this is the walk-in closet for the guest room. All full of junk right now. Ah! Oh, the hole. And then you walk over here. And you have the bathroom, which is not put together yet, but it's just a normal bathroom. And through here is Emily's office and Michael's office, and you can look out my window and see my deck. How nice! Yes, yes, very nice. Very, very nice, I think. And my backyard and our neighbors. And then you go back to, this is our study area. Very pretty. And my living room, fireplace, yay. All that stuff. Cathedral ceiling, woohoo. And let's see, here's my pantry. You don't really need to see that, but it's a mess. Laundry room. Very nice. Through here is the garage. Yay! 2 cars. Michael's workshop and then my car fits very nicely. And then kitchen. Cabinets. Eat-in kitchen. Patio door out to the deck. Mostly put together, still missing some. Well, now you come through here and you have our walk-in closet. Very nice, very nice. Yeah. And then here is our master bedroom, which our furniture is way too small now, but looks nice. And then our master bath has a soaker tub and a shower. Not the greatest, but it works. Very nice. And then I will show you pictures of the outside as well. There's Cleo. Say hi, Cleo. And oh, this is our coat room or coat closet. Little thingy there. Front door. And these are my little front garden. Not too bad. Little walkway. So it looks nice. Front of the house. And I gotta clean that up. And this is our neighborhood. And that's it.